Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Domi. In this channel, I teach you things about IT, PCs, Windows, tutorials, tips and tricks, things to make life easy when using the PC. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert MBR to GPT. Now, MBR means Master Boot Record. All right, master boot record. It is a partition style. Okay, and we have GPT, GUID partition table. Now, MBR is an old system, partition system, started in 1983. It's very old. All right, and it only accepts 4 primary partitions. So, partition means you are dividing a drive. All right, the space on a drive, you are dividing it. All right, good. So MBR can only accept 4 divisions on a drive. All right. Then we have GPT. Now GPT can accept more than 4. And the problem about MBR is that it only accepts up to 2 terabytes of space. So let's say you want to do a Windows installation on an MBR partition. You do the Windows installation. Now you want to copy things onto your PC. It only accepts 2 terabytes. All right. Now, GPT is the more modern one, which accepts more than 2 terabytes. Now, for GPT, you can have up to 128 partitions on a single drive. So, imagine this drive. Let's say this drive is about 10 terabytes. All right. It has to be a GPT. And then I can divide this 10 terabytes into different partitions. All right. So if your hard drive is MBR, it only uses legacy boot system. All right. Legacy boot system. And then the GPT uses UEFI. So I'll be showing you how to convert MBR to GPT. So let's get started. All right. So getting to it, we will be using what we call command prompt. Command prompt. This is what command prompt looks like. That's black screen. It's just text. All right, good. Now, before we can use that command prompt, we'll be using what we call Diskpart. It is a command, Diskpart. That's what we use for this conversion. Diskpart actually stands for disk partition. Okay, any command or process you want to do on your disk, you can use Diskpart to do. So whether you want to create a partition, whether you want to format your disk, whether you want to do anything about your disk, you can use Diskpart. All right, good. So starting with command prompt. Now, any changes you make here, it is permanent. So be very careful with the Diskpart. Any changes you make is permanent. All right, good. So first thing is to show the disks that are on your PC. Sorry, Diskpart. The first command is Diskpart. All right. Now, when it opens like this, Diskpart should be here. All right. Then you show list disk. It will show any connected drive. Now, disk 0 is usually the drive with the Windows or the OS. Disk 1 is what I've connected here. All right, good. So, disk 1, we have to select it. So, cell disk 1. So, cell disk 1. All right, good. You hit enter. It shows disk 1 is now selected. Be very careful when selecting. If you make any mistake, you can corrupt your system. All right, good. So select this one. Now disk 1 is actually MBR. So if you can see here, disk 0 shows GPT with the asterisks. Now disk 1, because it's MBR, it doesn't show GPT. All right, good. So we will be converting it to GPT. Convert GPT. Now, one thing about it is that you can lose all your files. you should always make backup when using this method. We have other methods of conversion. I'll show you. Now, convert GPT. You click on enter. Right. Now, first thing to do is that you clean it. Now, convert GPT. You can see this part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT. All right. Now, going to check here, it doesn't show. All right. Here is my own partition. So let's go to disk management, create and format hard disks. You can see this is my partition C and E. Here, C and E. But you can see disk 1 shows unallocated. All right. So now that you've converted, you have to create a new partition. Create partition and make it primary. Create partition primary. Then you are done. All right. Good. So when you come back to the disk, you can see we have blue primary partition. But then the file system is raw, so you can't access it. All right. So you come back here. The command to use is format fs equals ntfs. Quick. Format file system as ntfs. If you don't bring the quick, it will take a long time, about 30 minutes, depending on the size of your disk. So, quick format, then enter. All right, so it will perform a very quick format. Disk successfully formatted. Still, we are not done because if you check your file explorer, it won't show here. Okay, good. So, what you have to do is you have to assign letter. Okay, so let's do Jim. Now, disk successfully assigned drive letter. All right, so if you come to File Explorer, we have this Gene. All right, good. Before you can check whether your hard drive or USB, whatever drive it is GPT or MBR, we have to go to Device Manager. All right, so Device Manager here, all right, under this drive, you choose the drive you want. Here is the connected one. So properties, under volumes, you choose populate. You can see GPT here. All right, good. So now the software that we can use to choose between GPT and MBR without losing data, we call it MiniTool Partition Wizard. All right, so this is how it looks like, MiniTool Partition Wizard. So for this text 2, that's what I want to change. Now, let's copy some files into the drive so that you can see that we don't lose any drives. We don't lose any data, sorry. You can see the shortcuts are here. So you right click, you convert GPT to MBR. If it is MBR, it will show us MBR to GPT. So convert, then you click on apply. Yes. So it's very fast. Okay, good. Now, all right, you can see the files are still there. To verify whether it's actually converted to MBR, we come to disk drives again, properties, volumes, populate. You can see MBR, master boot record showing. Okay, the same for GPT. Now we have convert MBR to GPT. Apply, yes. Our files are stored there. Device manager, properties, volumes, populate, GPT. That's the one way you can actually save your files without formatting. All right. So if you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more content such as this. And if you faced any issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply and respond to provide help for you. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.